It's Tuesday morning, 8:15 a.m. We have left the Grand Floridian, checked on out, and we're going east on I-4, and we're going to the Viera Wetlands. We're also going to Disney's Vero Beach Resort, but we're going to Viera Wetlands. And look, I'm in the back seat. How weird is this? Heather's driving, Kacie's up there, and I'm in the back seat. I'm gonna shoot out of both sides of the car. I've got all sorts of telephoto lenses, and I think Viera Wetlands is a shoot from the car environment for photography of wildlife. Could be wrong, but anyway, that's what's up. We're about 10 or 15 minutes away from Viera Wetlands now, and we've got the air conditioner off, and I've got a window partially down because all the camera gear is cold from the air conditioner. And look how fogged up that lens is. Last year we went to Gatorland, which is another great bird photography spot, and it took 20 minutes for my lens to get acclimated, so I missed a lot of photography. That's why we're warming the car up now and warming these lenses up, so when we get there they should be ready to go. Public access notice. Wetland ahead. Hours are 6 a.m. to 8 p.m. There's a juvenile tricolored heron. You can see the camera settings will be in all the stills in this video. And there is an adult tricolored feeding a juvenile. Tricolored was the most common bird we saw at Viera Wetlands. And there's another tricolored adult in flight.
Hello! We are taking over the vlog. We are at the Viera Wetlands, and he is out there taking a lot of bird pictures.
Lots of them.
Let's look at them. Oh, I don't know how to zoom in on this thing, but he's wait, let me figure this out. I did it.
He's
all the way over there, being a camera nerd like he is.
Bird nerd.
Which is okay. Oh, birdies!
Birdies.
Yeah, so we're chilling in the cool air. We've seen some gators, some red-winged blackbird from Amigos. It's awesome.
And there's a dragonfly.
Totally a dragonfly right over there. Oh, I am such a good vlogger. Look at me go.
Did you get the dragonfly?
Yeah, I totally got the dragonfly. If he doesn't put this in the vlog, I'm gonna be so sad.
I'm gonna be really sad about it. Look at that dragonfly. Look at all the birdies.
My hair looks like a hot mess, but that's alright.
I'm driving the car.
Totally driving the car.
At about 3 miles an hour.
3 miles an hour. When we leave here, it's about an hour and 36 minutes till we get to Vero Beach Resort. It's gonna be awesome. We requested a high room with an ocean view. If we don't get that, I'm gonna be very mad.
And he's coming back.
Oh, nope.
He stopped.
Nope, he stopped.
He stopped.
Anyway, that was our part of today's vlog. See you later, alligator.
See you real soon.
Oh, I don't know how to turn it off.
Here's a red-winged blackbird, male, like we often see at the Amigos restaurant back home. And here is a common gallinule with a fish. Here's another juvenile tricolored heron.
Here's Phil about to get eaten by an alligator. He is getting way down in that there wetland. I don't know what he's found, but he's pretty excited about it.
Here is a pair of black-bellied whistling ducks, and Heather's right, I was pretty excited to see them. These are the only ones I've ever seen or photographed, at least so far.
So we think we might have just found a wood duck. He's pretty excited, so we'll find out.
I think they heard me say pretty duck from inside the car, so they may have assumed that it was a wood duck, but it was these black-bellied whistling ducks.
He almost caught us with the vlog camera. He doesn't know that we're doing this. And he said, "Did you have the vlog camera?" We're like, "No." We're sneaking it. See? What you getting a picture there, Dad?
Gator. Quick, put it down. think I heard a little chicken out.
Ooh, he almost got me. I feel so awesome. Don't mind my double chin.
I know, right?
That was such an ugly face.
Here's another juvenile tricolored heron. I really enjoyed the tricolored heron at Viera Wetlands, and here's a couple of in-flight white ibis photos, which I thought the clouds looked cool in these.
Phil, my have spotted the gator right there. May not be able to see it on here. I lost the gator. Uh-oh.
There. Can you see it? Do I need to scoot up?
I got it.
Oh, it just sunk down in the water. I see its little eyeballs on its nose.
Here's a male anhinga that I think I was working on while the girls were watching gators.
Ducky!
Baby.
He still hasn't noticed the camera's gone. Like, what? He probably knows we're doing something, but it's alright. Bye!
Here's a common gallinule, a couple of pictures of it. These are the colorful birds that remind me of American coots back home. I like them.
We just spotted a baby gator. Baby. And he still doesn't know we have it. So, there's an update. I can't get that.
We were there for the birds, but I couldn't resist getting a photograph of this young gator. Look at those eyes.
We have concluded that we are savages.
Here is yet another tricolored heron. This one, it looks like it's almost adult, but it's still a juvenile. And here is a full breeding plumage in-flight cattle egret.
Your face, Kacie.
I have a vlogging face. He's getting him some pictures of some birdie poos.
Oh, they're cute. They're catching fishies.
They're cute and they are catching fishies. I did a dad. There you go.
See the great egret? There's I think a tricolor over there. You might not be able to see him in the frame, but he's definitely over there going fishing.
Whoa. Here is the tricolored heron that I was working on during the girls' last video clip. And there it is with a fish that it caught. And I think there's a couple of more pictures, but this bird really allowed me to get close. Look, this shot was at 260 millimeters on my 200 to 500. And I think the other three were at 220 millimeters. So I was able to get really close to this bird.
What's up? So, he is out there taking photos, and we just FaceTime our dog.
Yep.
We miss her so much.
She's my fat doggy.
Fat animals are the best animals. Yeah.
I think this all white bird is a juvenile little blue heron. There was a number of these, but this is the only one I got a photo of. And here's a juvenile, I'm pretty sure, white ibis in flight at Viera Wetlands.
When he decided to go out there and take pictures, he left the door open. Now there are tons of bugs on the ceiling. We got a lot of them, but it's just so gross and I'm scared to lay my head down.
Hello.
Where?
Me.
What are we doing, Daddy?
Well, we're slow rolling through Viera Wetlands where it's 350,000 degrees.
I'm in the car with my hoodie on because it's cold in the car.
And We've seen lots of tricolored herons and cattle egrets and some great egrets, and we saw some ducks that I have not identified yet, and we saw, what's the little birds that you identified?
Chicken duckies.
I can't remember the name. It starts with a G. It's called a common G-A-L-L something.
God,
All I know
gladiator.
is it says they are marsh-like chickens.
They're cute. They remind me of American coots. They're a little smaller and their feet aren't as webbed, but they remind me of American coots. There's a little tricolor right there.
Awesome.
We're still cruising through Viera Wetlands, and I have just learned that the girls commandeered my vlogging camera while I was out trying to get photographs of the wildlife here. So I guess we're going to make a video, and I cannot be responsible for the contents of it. So
That's all
we'll
me.
see how that goes. Oh, wait a minute, look at there. There's like 1,000 cattle egret in this tree. I must shoot them. Thanks for watching our Viera Wetlands bird photography vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day.